Good evening, party goers. Just going to give you guys a quick update on what I did recently. It's super late, so I'm just going to try to do this in one take. But essentially, the progress I made recently is I added a bunch of animated characters to replace the capsule placeholders that I was using to test out the environment. Huge shout out to Quaternius. Support them on Patreon if you're looking for this kind of stuff, but they have a ton of free or paid pre-rigged animated figures. The ones that I got are from the RPG pack, which is, where is it? Yes, this RPG character pack. There's a bunch of different file formats that are available, and they all come pre-animated. And here you can see there's a bunch of these different types of characters. They all have little idle animations. And they've got idle animations, walk animations, sprint animations, and, you know, a couple different emotes based on the class. And so I added in them to the game so that you can not look like a little pill that's moving around. And I tested it with a bunch of different players at once. And I added a little character selector. When you join, you are able to select a name, and you could choose which one you want to start as. And then when you join, the name updates. That way you're not just player 659 whatever. And yep, so I put that in. I enabled in-game character switching with the tab key, and you could see I added a little emote panel on the bottom right there. And what else did I do? I cleaned up the code for the lobby, the name field, the IP field, class picker, and things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm pretty happy with this. It's pretty cool that everything is synced in. The only issue I really had with this was Godot's forward direction is negative. So when I brought in the assets, I had to flip them around and resize some things because the standard capsule that I was using is smaller than these avatars. But, you know, these are just very simple characters as kind of a proof of concept. And so huge shout out to Quaternius for creating these. And yeah, that's pretty much all for this one. Next I'm going to be adding in some physics objects in the environment that hopefully the characters can interact with. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.